Owedo ni riwruok mar nurses e pacho kae koro wuok oko mar kwedo mokalo monj mabende notimore od thieth ma Kitengela sub kaonti ma Kajiado kod jong'anyo odiochieng' manyoro. Jatend riwruogno Collins Ajwang' owacho ni sirikal mamalo kokalo kuom migawo mar arita kwe maiye kod migawo mar thieth nyaka ne ni ochiwo arita makare ne jochiw thieth e kinde ng'anyo ma kamago.
As National Nurses Association of Kenya, we reaffirm our dedicated service to the people of Kenya and the citizens of Kenya and call upon the officers of the Cabinet Secretary for Health and the National Police Service Commander to collaborate in ensuring a secure environment for our members, the nurses of the Republic of Kenya and all other healthcare providers in delivering essential services without fear or threat during demonstrations and civil unrest. We appreciate your continued commitment and look forward to your cooperation. And I'm going to state as follows, that as nurses we are perturbed by the incident that took place yesterday in Kitengela sub-county hospital. It is regrettable, it is unfortunate, and we will, for the last time, we are here to talk about security of our nurses in our health facilities. We have talked for long about insecurity of nurses. We are giving the final warning to the government, to the police, to the Cabinet Secretary for Health, that the time to act is now before the situation becomes dire. Nurses, we are not going to keep silent anymore.
Ogai Mardo Mathako